skating on the trail.
Oh my God.
Yeah, because this is packed in.
Yeah, yeah.
In some spots, you just barely step off the trail and you, oh.
No, don't worry.
There you go.
No, don't you.
Okay. Travis, no play. No, she don't want you to.
Wow, it really does drop off quite a ways.
Yeah. Well, in some spots where you just barely step off and you drop right into your knee, up to your knee. It's kind of deceiving. You walk around here, it's packed in. You're about to level at the top. You don't think it's not that deep here. The sun is melting up the snow a little bit, so it's making it more slicker than it was when we first got here.
Thank you for helping. You know what? I was shocked the other day. My kids gave me the iPhone 5,
Yeah.
and I had the old phone. And I don't know what happened. I was trying to use the voicemail. Guess what I had on my iPhone? A porno.
Oh.
I was so shocked and I couldn't get it off. You know, like you push the button.
Yeah.
I was horrified. I called my kids. I said, "How did I get a porno on there?"
Say, Ma, what are you doing watching this stuff?
I'm 73 years old. I don't want to see that. And it had like disco music and all. How do you get that?
Who knows? I mean,
All I did, I said, calling Sharon, you know, like the voice, you push the button.
right. Well, you'll see. You'll probably get a bill though for about $400 now. You know, because they get these paid.
I said to my husband, I said, that is so ugly. You know, but I'm afraid to use my phone again. But how would that come up? Is that
Probably because I don't know if that one does it, but it's got the voice recognition to call certain things. It could have thought you said something else.
well, you know, my kid said, "Mom, you have an accent," and it probably kind of sounded different.
Yeah.
But the worst thing was it was a male porno. I couldn't believe it, and it took almost 6 minutes to push on top to get rid of it.
You want to check that? I'm serious though. You want to check that because you may be getting billed like $35 or something for that. Not that I know.
Kidding? That would be the joke.
Well, they have things that do that. They charge outrageous amounts of.
Oh, they do?
Oh yeah. So watch your bill because you can dispute it. You know,
Oh my God.
and they'll take it off. So you're not paying like $80 or whatever it is.
I had no idea. My kid kept saying, "Mom, that's the biggest joke," you know, and I said, "It's not funny."
Oh sure, you've been on it for half an hour, Ma. Yeah, we know.
I was so panicked. I called when I got home and I said, "How do I do this?"
Sabbath, Sato.